At sea, safety isn't an option, it's a necessity. Yet even today, lives are lost due to overlooked procedures, poor coordination, and a lack of training. These are their stories and our lessons. Safety at sea. Lessons from the past. Safeguards for the future. In one accident, a crew member fell 10 meters through an open ventilation trunk while the ship was under maintenance. The fan had been removed, but the risks had not. There were no barriers in place, no risk assessment, and no shared safety control between the shipyard and the crew. Every maintenance task requires a dedicated risk assessment. Shared work environments demand shared safety responsibility, especially during shipyard periods. In another tragedy, 3 stevedores died after entering an oxygen-depleted cargo access space. They were untrained, unprotected, and unaware. One entered by mistake. Two others attempted a rescue. But none of them came out alive. Enclosed spaces are silent killers. All personnel, including shoreside workers, must be trained, equipped, and monitored before entering such areas. On a roll-on, roll-off vessel, a crew member acting as signaler was fatally crushed between a say-me trailer and the ship's bulkhead. The driver, assuming the area was clear, never saw the person standing in the trailer's blind spot. Task separation, constant visibility, and defined communication protocols are critical in high-risk loading zones. Safety must not rely on assumptions. These tragedies weren't due to bad luck. They happened because safety systems were broken, forgotten, or never implemented. Let these accidents be our warning. Follow the Code of Safe Working Practices, your company's SMS procedures and work instructions, conduct risk assessments, lock and close spaces, train your crew, communicate clearly, respect life, respect safety. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more safety videos.